looks pretty. The menu is gorgeous. This will be prime. You have a nice bar too. So I tried the potato soup and it was crazy delicious with broccoli. Now I'm gonna try the risotto. I must confess that it looks a little bit dry, but let's see. That's right. Not better than mine, but okay. I would give it like a 6.5. The restaurant is amazing though. A little bit slow, but good service, kind people, and it's fine food for sure. Mon ami, mon ami.
Mon ami, mon ami, bouillabaisse.
A bouillabaisse.
Oui, oui, oui.
Please, in French, explain your experience for us. Tell us.
Delicious.
Delicious. Ah, what else we have there? Coming. The food is delicious. Thank you so much, so much. So guys, the food was prime, beautiful. And I can see the dessert doesn't fall behind. Guy can tell us. It's good. I can see. Prime restaurant, great service,
I'll bring my
beautiful
wife
food. Right?
I'm gonna bring Marie here.
Marie?
Marie.